What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial provides a comprehensive guide on how to obtain the Aurora Rod in the game Fisch on Roblox. The Aurora Rod is a powerful fishing tool that can enhance your gameplay, and this guide will cover the fastest methods to acquire it, strategies for effective use, and tips for maximizing its potential. The Aurora Rod is a special fishing rod that allows players to catch rare fish more efficiently. To obtain the Aurora Rod, you need to be familiar with the game's mechanics and have a basic understanding of fishing within Fisch. The Aurora Rod can typically be found in specific locations within the game. Start by exploring the following areas like Hinterland Lake. This is a common spot where players have reported finding the rod. There is a Crystal Caverns too. Look for hidden spots where fish are abundant. Remember to check these locations consistently, as the rod may not be available every time you visit. While a totem can help in fishing, it's possible to obtain the Aurora Rod without one. Here's how. Use bait effectively to make sure you have the right bait to attract rare fish. Patience is key. Stay at your fishing spot for a while. Rare fish may take time to appear. Watch for fish shadows. Look for larger shadows in the water, indicating the presence of rare fish. By following this guide, you should be well equipped to obtain the Aurora Rod and Fisch and utilize it effectively to enhance your gameplay. Remember to explore various locations, be patient, and engage with the community for additional tips. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.